Alright, hello, good morning traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for education and purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the updates in the commodities market. The overnight soybean oil for the May month contracts rose 0.34 to close higher at 42.64. Dalian active forward contracts rose 32 points to close higher at 8870 on previous night sessions, while Malaysia crude palm oil futures rose on Wednesdays. After a 3 straight sessions of losses supported by the bargain hunting following a nearly 2 months low, the FCPO June contracts rose 14 points to close higher at 4259 on the midday 4295 on yesterday's sessions. The actively traded FCPO contracts on the daily time frames remain within a broad sideways consolidation range. And recently, it broke down the crucial support range at 4295 to 4300 over here, and now still seen as serve as a crucial resistance level on the smaller time frame in the hourly charts. The price is consolidating since 25th of the March within quite a very narrow range, and the top range was seen at 4275 to 80, while the bottom is spotted at 4230 to 4225 over here, and the mid range is spotted at 4250 to 4255, and we since the price is supported above the midpoints after a multiple attempts, it's since supported, and we remain to see the upward movement if the price remains supported over here, and also with the conditions, if the price standing firmly above 4275 to 80, which is the top of the sideways consolidations, we might see the price to moving further higher towards the next resistance, the crucial resistance at 4210 to 4310 to 4315. However, if this mid-range fail to support, then we might see the price coming down from here. Right. So for this morning sessions, our calls still remain the main plan is a buy plan. Okay, let's see our recommendations is long positions may be open above 4271 with a target to set at 4285 to 4310 and a stop loss to set at 4251. Alternatively, short positions may be short below 4271 with the target to set at 4259 to 4237 and a stop loss to set at 4291. And next, we are shifting our focus to the index markets. The overnight Dow Jones Index dropped 132 points to close lower at 42454. The global stock declined on Wednesday after 3 consecutive sessions of gains, while the US dollar resumed its upward trends as investors await the next tariff announcement from US President Donald Trump. Over in Malaysia, the FCPO ended higher on Wednesday, following regional gains as investors await clarified on the upcoming US tariff. The FKLI March month contracts rose 12 points to close higher at 1515.5. The actively traded FKLI contracts remain in the broadest downtrend, still seen as a downtrend, and at the moment is consolidating at the bottom of the downtrend. And recently we see that as markets enter into the sideways consolidations since 20th of March, with the upward channels formed as in the smaller time frame, signaling the mildly positive sentiment. Right. So that is the price. I'll call is if holding above the key support zone at 150708, which is the support levels. Here, the buying momentums could potentially sustain and potentially push the higher to 1521, and the price just reached a moment ago. So at the moment, the new support was spotted at 1512 to 1513. So after breaking this 21 and the 21's level, if able to sustain, we might see the further highest toward the previous high at 1527's area. However, if this breach unable to hold, uh, the 1512 to 13 unable to hold, we may see the price still coming down. Right. So there is potentially, if the price could break above 1527, that is potentially for the price to continue moving upwards, slightly trying to complete the upward channels. But in the daily time frame, beware of any sellings that might be emerge coming in. Yeah, so here's our review for the morning sections. As we wrap up, the analysts keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.